mother, you did this to me. I'm worthless, I've nothing to show. Lost from the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil.
Money,
Mother, you want me, you know.
the root of
Give
all
me
evil.
a dream that I dream. Lost from the end of the road.
See, poverty oppress the poor, make them happy, make them sad. Oh, yes, I love her. Mother, you caused this. Where is my love? Where is my son?
All I have and all that I have before. Mother, you did this to me. I'm worthless, I've nothing to show. Lost from the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil. Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know. Could this be a dream that I dream? Lost from the end of the road.
The lost
All I have and all that I
I have.
Mother, you did this to me. I'm worthless, I've nothing to show.
Mother, you
Lost from the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil. Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know. Could this be a dream that I dream? Lost from the end of the road.
I did not know. I cannot take it no more,
Mother,
mother.
you did
I
this to me.
cannot take this no more. Mother,
Money, the root of all evil. Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know. Could this be a dream that I dream? Lost from the end of the road.
I don't know what I do. I'm so
Mother, you
Tom, go home and sleep. You can come tomorrow.
Mama, I will wait. I have to travel very early in the morning to the village to repair a car. So I will wait.
Sure, by all means come.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Tilly? How many times do I have to remind you of this?
Oh, darling, I'm sorry.
Good night.
Good night.
Oh, so you finally came home.
How dare you, and what are you doing in my house?
Waiting for you?
For what?
No, I don't mean to hurt you, but you know exactly what I mean.
Look, Tom, I've told you this several times. Between you and I, it is over.
But Matilda,
It is over.
Oh, Matilda. Oh, just take it easy. It will be okay one day.
thank you, Mama. Thanks for everything. Good night.
Good night. Josephine.
Ma.
Please go and open the door. I think he has come home now.
Yes, ma'am.
Evening, Mom. You're still awake at this time of the night?
Son, the question is this the hour of the night you're coming home?
Mom, I have told you I'm no longer a child. I can go out and come in as I please. Don't wait up for me next time, okay?
Yeah. And if I don't wait for you, who shall I wait for? You know I can't sleep if I don't see you.
Okay, Mom. Now you have seen me, at least you can go to sleep.
Excuse me, please.
What do you want to make her do for you?
I want to see Maxwell.
Maxwell. Maxwell no dey. Now madam will want pass come out to abeg. Come on, make I help you to get one.
Please, can I drop a note?
Them swear for you. Make them not pursue me for work, oh.
Morris,
Madam.
who is there?
Now one girl wey say she dey find Maxwell. I don't tell am say Maxwell no dey. Now if she no wan go,
And let her come in.
make you go.
Yes, how may I help you?
I'm looking for Maxwell.
For what?
He's my friend.
And who are you?
I'm Eno's daughter.
Eno, the tomato seller?
Yes, madam.
And you are looking for my son?
Yes, madam.
I'll let him know.
Thank you, madam.
Josephine! Please tell Maxwell I've gone to the meeting. You look very happy this morning.
Oh, yes, Max is picking me up to work.
Me just picking you to work is giving you all this joy.
Max means a lot in my life.
Mati, it's not everything that glitters is gold. For me, I am scared of this Maxwell.
Mom, how do you mean?
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning.
Are you ready?
Yes, madam. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Ma.
I want you to put a stop to that. I don't want to see any such poor girl in this family. Do I make myself clear?
Mother, I can't stop loving her. Whether she is rich or poor is of no consequence.
Look at who is talking about love. What do you know about love?
Mother.
From the moment I set my eyes on that girl, I knew she'd want nothing but your money.
Enough of that, Mother.
Maxwell, a girl of that caliber has got no good prospect for your future. Think about that.
Love, you give me hope. You give me happiness, happiness. You give me joy, you give me sunshine. Life, life, life could be so cruel. You gave me hopelessness and made me cry. You make me want to die.
All I have and all that I have lived for. Oh, mother, you did this.
I was beginning to wonder what was keeping you. You look gorgeous in this outfit.
Thank you, darling.
Have a glass of wine. I bought it specially for you.
Thank you.
Not the type I bought for you on your birthday. Yeah. Godwin, open the gate for Lena.
Yes, sir.
Lena, what happened to you?
It's Maxwell.
Maxwell again? Oh my God. Please, Lena, stop crying. I will
Did
make...
I hear you say Maxwell? Maxwell again? If that bastard thinks he can toy with my daughter, well, this is going to be the very last time.
I hate to tell you this, but I must tell you, your son must not turn my daughter into a laughingstock. If he thinks he can, then he must remember that he who wakes a sleeping dog must be ready for the barking of the dog.
I understand how you feel, madam. Please calm down. I promise I'll take care of this.
You better do, Vida. You better do.
Mama! Mama! Oh, how nice! Yes, Mama! Mama! I never knew. And this. Mama! You mean he gave you all this? Mama, you haven't seen anything yet. Mama! Mama, look at the top. Look at the top. Hey! Mama! Hey, Mama, you are blessed. Mama, you also gave me this, and this, and this to be given to you. Me? Yes, Mama. No. Oh, Mama. Mama, watch this. Watch this. All on this.
Thank my son for me. I never knew he was such a nice guy.
I told you, Mama.
Mama, I think I have to be going now.
All right, okay, bye-bye.
Mama, try this. Smells good. Hey, Mama. Watch this. Hey, Mama, look at all this chewing. Mama.
So this is what you lavish my money on. Not even on a reasonable fellow, but on a useless tomato seller's daughter. Listen, Maxwell, you can't kill me because I didn't kill my parents.
Mother, she may be a useless tomato seller's daughter to you. Even if she's a truck pusher's daughter, she's still my choice.
Oh, I see. So you want to kill me? Listen, Nana called me about this issue on the telephone today. Even Lena's mother was here. Nana is my main source of income. You can't let me lose my chances because of her. Maxwell, all I need from you is to love their daughter.
Mother, it is better for me to love her and lose everything than to lose her and gain everything.
You mean you can also lose me for her?
I mean everything, Mother. Everything.
I guess you're Matilda? Yes, madam. You little gold digger! I don't want to ever see you near my son again. Do I make myself clear?
Madam, you are talking to somebody's daughter.
Who is that somebody? You want to make me angry? You want to make me mad? Listen, I can bring out this whole shack and there's nothing you can do about it. I'll teach you a little something. Ow! 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 Now do your worst. If you ever, I warn you.
The issue here is that we don't ask ourselves questions about the money that is given to us and the one that we give out.
How do you mean, madam? I don't understand.
How do I mean? What I mean is that when the contract is awarded to us, we also have to give some part to those that made the contract possible.
Yes, I think you're right. Because Chief Dominic complained that after giving us the contract, none of us came back for the paybacks.
Now, let's get something clear here. I don't see the reason why any of them should complain about it. Because we go there to fight for them to be on the seat. The agreement is that when they get there, we are all entitled to contracts.
Yes, that is it. I mean, the whole thing is beginning to confuse us. And I think the whole problem comes from Madam Elizabeth. Because when she goes to the conference, she's supposed to protect our interests. For she's the only one representing us.
Shut up your mouth. How can you make a statement like that? Madam Elizabeth is doing the best she can for us. You don't expect her to kill herself because of us?
I'm not surprised, Vida. I'm not. You all are yet to tell us what is going on in this organization. You mustn't shun anybody here because we are all entitled to our opinion. Come rain, come sunshine, we must do something about this.
You better mind what you say.
You are all right. I'm trying to explain to them that the contract awarded is our bond of agreement. And that if they get to the seat, it will benefit us. So please, please, don't quarrel over it.
Good day, Mom.
Hello, Maxwell. How are you?
Very fine, thank you.
Maxwell, how is your mother?
She's all right.
Okay.
Is Lena in?
Of course. Godwin! Godwin! Go call Lena from her room.
It looks like you people are about
Yes.
to go.
Listen, if you're not coming along, I'm going to leave you here.
You have a nice day.
Thank you, Mom.
She's coming, sir.
All right. Hi, Lena.
Hi, Maxwell.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm all right. Can we go for a drive?
Why not? I'll get the keys to my car.
No need. Let's go in my car.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. Godwin! Yes, ma'am. Please tell Mom and Dad that I've gone out with Maxwell. I'll be right back.
All right.
want you to understand that your parents cannot buy my love. Whatever they do, they can never foist you on me. So they should stop threatening and harassing my mother because it can't help them. Get that into your greasy hair and stay away from me.
Mama, I heard what happened to you yesterday. You know it's the work of Satan. But don't let it weigh you down, eh? We are in the system where the so-called rich intimidates the poor. But God is not asleep.
God, don't sleep. Mama, it's okay, please.
Well, one good turn deserves another.
Tom, what do you mean by that?
I mean, God will surely pay them back in their own coin. Mama, I must be going now.
Thank you, my son.
What are you doing here? What are you doing in the house of a useless and wretched tomato seller? My daughter is not good enough for you and your mighty mother. We are pearls, you are jewels. But remember, my daughter is not a rejected stone.
Mother, please, what is the problem?
Are you asking me what the problem is? Your mother has the money and power. But for us the poor, God is our strength.
Mother, please don't be offended. I'm really sorry about all this. Please. Matilda, please, I'm sorry about all this. I want you to understand that I had no hand in this at all. Please excuse me. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Josephine! Josephine! Josephine!
Uncle!
Where's my mother?
She's in the sitting room.
Take this box outside for me.
Yes, sir.
Mother, I'm beginning to see you as evil. The woman I know as my mother is a woman who has compassion for people. But the person I see before me right now is a woman who now humiliates and tramples upon poor innocent people because of some mundane things. Mother, I am old enough to pursue my own destiny. Thank you very much. Here is your key.
Maxwell! If you walk out of that door, I shall disown you. And you will lose your right as my son.
Mother, it might interest you to know that I am not scared of losing your wealth, but I'm rather scared of losing my love. Good day.
Maxwell!
Dad, please don't harm him. You know I love him very much. He didn't do it intentionally. He's not himself. Dad, please. Please! Dad! If anything happens to him, I'll kill myself.
No, Lena, don't. Don't worry, he won't kill him.
like.
I just told you! If anything happens to him, I'll kill myself! Mommy! Ah, leave him now!
Where is your son?
Welcome, Nana.
Don't nana me. I said, where is your son?
My son?
Yes.
He went out.
Listen, I suppose by now you must have heard what your son did to my daughter.
My son?
Yes.
Nana, I'm not aware of what he's done, but whatever he's done, please enjoy it and forgive him.
How can you expect me to forgive him? How?
Nana, please calm down. Let me have a chat with you. You see, what I'm seeing about this Maxwell and Matilda relationship has gone beyond the ordinary. I suggest we put our heads together and look for a lasting solution. I suspect there's some spiritual influence.
Listen, I don't care under what influence your son is operating. Let him mind his attitude towards my daughter. I will not have to warn you again.
Anyone who says that women have no power is a liar. If Chief Barnabas wants to contest, he must have to come and see us right here. Of course, he's not bigger than Chief Ignatius or Nana Akwesi Ajiman. And neither is he bigger than Nana Kwame Wusuansi.
You are right. People make mistakes when they underestimate women. Forgetting that women are like gold. If you dig your way down, you will find them. And if you have them, you have everything.
And that is not all, my dear. To be a successful politician, you must have women around you. Because if you have women around you, you will have the power to control men. After all, we tell them what to say, where to say, and when to say it. So you see, we are the answer to all politicians. We have to play ball with them.
Finally, who is our candidate for now?
For now, none of them is our candidate. For the highest bidder will be our candidate. Because money talks. So So remember, my good silver money man. My good silver money man.
So. We have to send a letter to them and wait for their reply.
You are Matilda. This is part 1 now. Let's get to part 2. Stop! Happiness and their love. You are warned. Leave Matilda alone. Next time.
Matilda, I am sorry. I heard what happened between you and those hooligans.
Thanks for your concern.
Sorry, oh.
You may have a seat.
Thank you.
You think you can deprive the poor ones their happiness and their love? You are warned. Leave Matilda alone.
You think I don't know you're the instrument of what happened? You send those boys to assault me. Look, Tom, even if I'm blind, I will never love you. Useless mechanic.
God, you are my shepherd.
Good evening, ma. Any news about him?
I thought you were going to bring me news about him.
Oh my God.
It might interest you to know that I'm not scared of losing your wealth. But I'm rather scared of losing my love. Good day.
Maxwell!
me hope. You give me happiness, happiness. You give me joy. You give me sunshine, light, light, light. To be so cruel. You gave me hopelessness and made me cry. You make me want to die.
All I have and all that I have lived for. Oh, mother, you did this to me.
Oh, mother,
and
you did this to me.
Nothing to show.
Yeah.
The loss of the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil.
Oh, money.
Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know.
The root of all evil.
Be a dream that I dreamed.
Yeah.
The loss of the end of the road.
Hey, Max! Hey! Get up!
Just say Peter, Maxwell's old schoolmate. Please, it's important. Good day, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please sit down. It's been a long time.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure you've seen your friend Maxwell.
Yes.
But what's wrong with you?
Ma'am, accident.
What accident?
He had an accident. I mean Maxwell.
Maxwell?
He's in the hospital. He was knocked down by a car.
No. Peter, please tell me it's not true.
He's in Asafoje Hospital.
Nurse, please call the doctor for me.
All right.
You devil! Have you seen what you've caused my son? Come on, get out of here before I give you the shock of your life. Out!
Love, you give me hope. You give me happiness, happiness. You give me joy. You give me sunshine.
Madam, please, we don't allow such noise here.
I'm sorry, my daughter.
Gave me hopelessness and made me cry. You make me want to die.
Oh, Father, don't worry. He'll be just fine. At least we have to thank God he's alive.
Oh, money, the root of all evil.
Money,
Mother, you hurt me, you know.
the roots of all evil.
The dream that I dreamed. The lost of the end of the road.
Matilda! Matilda! Yes, Mama. Come.
Mama.
How much are you charging?
2,000. That's.
What is the matter?
It's Maxwell.
Maxwell? Did he finally ditch you?
No, Mama. That is not the issue. He had an accident yesterday. I was sitting with him at the ward when his mother chased me out of the ward.
God. Look, don't you worry. He'll be all right. Give everything to God.
Yes, that reminds me. How would Maxwell feel knowing that Lena is not here at this crucial moment?
How can you talk like that? If we let Lena know about the accident, she'll come running back from her trip and that will disrupt our plans concerning this Matilda girl.
Yes, I think you are right. We have to let Maxwell know she has traveled. Meanwhile, let me talk to Nana's men. Mike!
Yes, madam.
Remember what I told you.
Yes, madam.
Shall we? Mama, please. Don't, please, Mama. Please.
Hey! What do you have in that bag?
Some fruit. I'm going to give it to my son who has just had an accident.
Who is your son? Shameless woman. Do you think you can have me as your son? The two of you, out of this place. Out!
But he's my boyfriend.
He's your boyfriend. Your husband, rather. Out! Come on, get out of this place. Out! Come on now. Yeah.
Mom. So this is what has been going on all this while. This is how Matilda pays me for all the trouble I went through. No, no, no. I can't believe it. No.
You know, you just came back from the hospital. Don't trouble yourself about it. Just sit down. Sit down. And have your drink. We women are all the same. If you don't fear us, you'll never live long. Women. Women.
I think Mexico will do.
I suggest China.
China? No, that's a wrong number. Can any of you here eat with chopsticks?
So, Dad, what do you think?
Well, if I had my way, I'll settle for God's own country, US of A.
No way. America?
Yes.
It's too hot for my liking.
All right, Lena, you make the choice.
I think London is the place.
London?
I see you want to visit the Queen Elizabeth.
We already have Queen Elizabeth here.
Yes, Mommy.
Pregnant. If you think you can tie me down with your tricks, you have another thing coming. Pregnant for me or for him? Get out of here, you this public dog.
Young lady, your mission has been a failure. My son knows nothing about that bastard in your womb.
Oh, ma. Maxwell. Tom and I.
Hey! Hey! Back away from me!
Maxwell is
Morris!
a plot.
Morris!
Maxwell.
Oga, and they come.
It's impossible.
Get them out of here right now! Right now!
Maxwell.
I beg, madam.
Please.
You don't talk finish. Make you they go quick.
Please.
Make you they go.
Push them away!
They go quick, quick.
Oh, Maxwell, I love you very much.
I love you too, Lena.
I can't wait to tell Mom and Dad. Finally! This calls for a toast.
Oh, yes, it does. To you and to me, forever together, till death do us part.
Cheers. Oh, Maxwell, I am so happy.
It's not my fault, Matilda. I don't make these laws. The board does. But excuses are becoming just too much. Today, if there's not a problem here, tomorrow there will be there. I'm getting sick and tired of it.
Please, madam.
Why don't you go home and sort out your problems?
Please.
I'm very sorry.
Please, madam, just give me a second chance.
Excuse me, Matilda.
That's all I live on, madam.
Matilda, excuse me. Get out!
See, poverty oppress the poor, make them unhappy, make them sad. Oh, yes, I loved her. Oh, mother, you caused this. Where is my love? Where is my son?
Maxwell!
Nana?
What a beautiful place you have here.
Thank you, Nana.
It's just ideal for both of you. Lena?
Yes, Dad.
This is a paradise for you, you know. Kind of reminds one of a nest where I know you're likely to lay so many eggs.
Oh, Dad.
You're right, Nana. And we're going to start working on it immediately.
Yes, you should. Yes, you should. Don't let any moment slip by.
Matilda.
Yes, Mom.
You see, I've sold all my tomatoes. I don't have money to buy more tomatoes. I don't have money. You see, I've started selling my clothes. What are we going to do?
Mom, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do now.
Why don't we go and see Maxwell? He might be able to help us out of this situation.
I'm not going to see that bastard. After all that he has done to me. Oh,
Don't cry.
And so what? So what?
Oh, what? Please, why don't you listen to her? Just give her a chance, please.
What can I do for you?
Sam, it's Matilda. She's in labor, and in case she delivers, I don't have anything at home. I don't have money.
So what do you expect me to do? Give you money for a bastard child?
Who else?
Please leave. I said leave. Don't force me to push you out. I said leave.
I don't know. Why should you push me out?
Leave.
Wait. Whose ball is this?
Uncle, for me. It's my ball. It's my ball.
Hey, wait.
Ow! Ow, Mom!
Whose ball is this? How did you come by?
I contributed my money.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, you go. I'll see your parents this evening. Okay? Go. Hey, don't beat him up.
life and prosperity to your family and plenty of
children.
TV News at 9. The soccer fiesta between Nigeria and Ghana left soccer fans unsatisfied yesterday as it ended 3-3 draw. My name is Josephine Ewe, the news in detail. The notorious pack of Hima was responsible for the disappearance and death of countless women, including pregnant ones, were yesterday apprehended by the police following a tip-off from an eyewitness. Don't go away. We will be back after this message.
Williams's daughter is back from the grave, and she is the visitor. Eagle Moshi Pictures and Miracle Films present, for the first time ever, a Nigerian and Ghanaian film collaboration, The Visitor, the multi-faced visitor, the invisible visitor. The Visitor, starring Peter Bono, Zach Oji, Tony Umez, Emmanuel Ama, Clem Ohameze, Trisha Esebe, Nat Banini, and introducing Kwame Owusu Ansa, The Visitor.
Now on sale at Miracle Films, Opera Square, Accra, and Edum Kumasi. Joe Media Craft Hollywood, HM Technical, Takradi, Cape Coast and Accra, Despite Music Shop Accra, and more video shops nationwide.
Welcome back. A Boeing 747 Jumbo jet that took off yesterday from Mexico, bound for Accra, never touched down as it plunged head first into the sea. It is believed that the jet encountered turbulent weather. However, a conclusive reason for the crash has not been ascertained. All passengers on board are confirmed dead. Among the deceased were Chief Moses Kofi, Reverend Emmanuel Ansa, Nana Akwesi Ajimai and his wife Elizabeth Ajimai. No!
Any good news? Excuse me, please.
The good news is that she delivered a bouncing baby boy. Hallelujah. The bad news is that she lost so much blood, so she gave up the ghost. Doctor!
Where is my baby? Where is my baby? Where is my baby, my baby?
Sapon, wait. I'll give it to you, then you give it back to me, okay? Sapon, get it. Give it. Oh, throw it to me. Get it. Throw it to me. To you. Sapon. Huh? I hold you. Come. Let me see that. Aren't you tired? Get it. Come on.
You see, I can also play football.
Sorry.
You want to hurt me? Okay, go back and let me do it. Oh, it's all right. Let's go. Rapo. I only hope.
Maxwell, I was just coming up to see you.
Is there any problem?
Yes, there's a problem. For how much longer must I wait before I see my grandchildren? You've been married now for 7 long years.
But Mom, you know it's not my fault.
Oh, so it's my fault. Please do something about it.
Mom.
Please try and do something about it.
Mom!
Good afternoon. Sapon, what's wrong?
Mama, they drove me away from school. They said I've not paid my school fees.
I know that is how it's going to end. Look, why not join me in selling these tomatoes? We can struggle our way out. Can you do it? Yes, come for some banana. Come. I'll arrange some of the tomatoes for you. Then you sell it within this market. Bring me that tray. Sell them quick. And then come back for more, okay?
My daughter, I've been patient with you long enough. I want to see my grandchildren before I visit my ancestors.
But Ma, the problem we're having is not my fault.
Whose fault is it? Are you trying to say my son is sterile? I don't care whose fault it is. All I want is a grandchild. And if you can't, I shall give another woman a chance.
But Ma,
that is all I have to say.
What are you doing?
Dressing up, of course.
Why?
Maxwell, I'm in trouble.
What trouble?
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? Did you say pregnant? Hallelujah! You're pregnant?
But your wife.
What wife?
Let's wait here. Okay.
As you were saying, what do you advise me to do now?
Look, I don't have to tell you again. You have to play ball.
Play ball? But you know I'm not used to that.
Come on. That is the only way out.
Esther, can't you help me?
Oh. Yes, I have somebody in mind. Ben.
Ben?
Ben, Tony's friend. Let's wait for him. When he comes, I will collect his phone number and give it to you. But Esther, you...
Oh my God.
Mother, I've got good news for you. There is this girl that I've been going out with for some time now. Do you know what? She just told me that she is 2 months pregnant for me.
For you?
Yes, Mom.
What are you waiting for? Oh my God, my joy comes at last. You know, when you sent for me, I knew it had to be for something tangible. Thank God.
Mother, this calls for a celebration. Cheers.
Yes.
This is what we're going to do. We're going to get a new place for her where you can visit her from time to time, see how she's doing, watch the development of the baby, spoil them, do whatever you want to do.
Oh, Ben, please. Listen, this should be a secret. Huh? Please, keep it to yourself. Huh? Keep it to yourself.
It's not like I don't want to take him to my family. My father is dead, and my mom is a beggar. We are very poor. To be frank, we can't even afford to give you cola when you pay us a visit. He knows I'm putting up with a friend.
Is that all, my daughter? Is that all your problem? You don't have a problem. Poverty is never a crime. I can make you rich. I can put up a building. I can buy a car for you as well. Please make up your mind. Okay?
I said dinner is ready.
Am I deaf? I heard you. But when you hear me humming and singing like this, you ought to know that I have eaten. What I need now is a good rest and not a woman to... Did I say woman? I mean, I don't need my fellow man to feed me day and night.
Maxwell!
Play now. No play. See. This morning we've not sold anything. Only, I don't know what me and my mother will eat today. Do you worry too Why much? won't I worry? My mother is the only person I have in the whole world. Don't worry. God will provide. God will provide. Let's go and try another part of the market. Let's go.
Make them happy, make them sad. Oh, yes, I love her. Mother, you cosmos. Where is my love? Where is my son? All I have another night. Mother, you did this to me. And what there's nothing to show. The loss of the end of the road. No money, the root of Olive. Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know. Could this be a dream that I dream? The loss of the end of the road.
No. Send it there. To the corner.
Here?
Yeah. No. I think you have to bring it back here. Yes.
This way?
Yeah.
Here?
No. Bring it a bit
To the
forward.
middle?
Yeah, to the middle. Yeah. It's okay. Just put it there.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you're okay. Go and bring the rest.
In a moment.
Hurry up, Maxwell. I'm tired.
Come in.
Send it to the corner.
Here.
Yes.
Put it there, I say. No. I think, yeah, put it there. So that the center table will be here. Hurry up and bring the center table. Are you coming?
Yes, I'm coming.
Why don't you turn it this way? Turn it this way.
This way, okay. Okay.
Does it look straight to you?
Okay, it's straight now.
Okay.
Let me bring the...
Hurry up, hurry up. Do I have to tell you where to put this one to? Aren't you using your head? Maxwell, use your head.
Okay. Just take it easy. Sit down and rest. I know what to do. Okay, I'll put it.
Maxwell!
I'm on my way, dear.
Do it fast. I'm hungry.
Okay. It's here.
Now get me some water from the fridge.
Right away.
Maxwell, I've lost my appetite. Just rush to the market and get me some fruits.
Some fruits. Okay, I'll leave the water here in case you feel.
Hurry up.
I'll get you any kind of fruit you want.
All right.
Okay. Well, I'll be right back.
Is where the paternity ward?
That's where I'm going. Follow me.
Okay, thank you.
Please sit there and wait for me. I'll be with you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Maxwell. This is Dr. Vaughn, Frank Vaughn. My colleague just informed me that Philo has given birth to a bouncing baby girl.
Thank you very much. Yes. I'll be there as quickly as possible.
All right. You better make it fast. Okay, bye-bye. Maxwell.
Mom, have you heard the good news? Philo has given birth to a bouncing baby girl. Yes. All right. All right. Thank you, Mom. I'll meet you there as quickly as possible. All right.
Nick. Maxwell.
How are you?
I'm all right. Hey, Max. You're looking so big. Where have you been?
Well, I've been around doing business. What about you?
Oh, well, really, I traveled abroad, but unfortunately, I was deported 2 days back, you know.
So sorry about that.
No problem.
By the way, what are you doing here?
Philo's husband. You can now come in.
Excuse me.
Hello, Maxwell.
Philo, what's happening? Will you answer my question? What is happening?
Philo, who is this man?
Maxwell. The right question is this. Who are you?
And who is this poor rat?
Maxwell, I am sorry. He is the rightful father of this baby.
What?
What did you just say, Philo? Excuse me, please. What did you say, Philo? What did you just say? Excuse me, please. Excuse me. Let's see. Come to that, okay? What a fool I've been. Mother, I have to see a doctor right now.
Did she say you're not the father of the child?
That's what she said, doctor. That's what she said.
I demand for a blood test. I know it's a setup. That child belongs to my son.
Wait a minute, let me check on something. Maxwell.
Nyamiche.
Had an accident.
Yes.
And didn't the doctor tell you anything?
Like what?
Well, this accident caused injuries to your spinal cord. And this has affected your reproductive system. I mean, it has rendered you sterile.
Sterile? Sterile?
That reminds me about what my mother told me. That it is only a woman who knows the real father of her child.
Yes, you are right.
So when you say it belongs to him, it belongs to him, and that is final. Oh, thank you very much, Esther. But you won't say it or amaze me. Can we go?
Good evening, Mother. I think it's all over. Or isn't it?
Maxwell, what's wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me, Mother. It seems I am tired of this world. Aren't you tired of this world?
Please, Maxwell, don't do this.
Don't do what? Don't do what, Mother? I can't have a child. I can't love a woman. I can't even have a family of my own, and you're telling me don't do that? Don't be scared, Mother. I am not going to kill you. I just want to kill myself right in your very presence. Don't come any further or else I'll kill myself now.
My son, all hope is not lost. Those pictures I showed you, they were all fake. I'm sorry. Forgive me. It was all one evening.
is the real father of the child. Go find your own child. Murderer, devil incarnate. If you don't, I'll hit you with this chair.
Good morning, Max. What's the problem?
Are you a problem solver? Huh? Are you a problem solver?
You don't have to get so upset. I have good news for you.
What good news could you possibly have for me? Good news, good news, good news all the time. What is it this time?
Sweetheart, I am pregnant.
Oh, you are pregnant?
Yes.
Yo, I am a good player. You are pregnant. Now, will you tell me who the father of the bastard child in your womb is?
It's you.
Who is the father of the bastard child in your womb? Who is the father? Do I have to force it out of you?
Introduced me to a man who got me pregnant.
Mother, can you imagine Lena telling me that she's pregnant for me after the devastating news the doctor gave us about the accident?
Did you say pregnant?
That's what she told me this morning.
Lena? And where is she now?
Well, it doesn't matter anymore where she is. I've already taken a decision on the matter. Between Lena and me, it is over.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Oh, Lena. After all that I've gone through for her sake.
Sapon, sell them quick, and then you come for more, okay? Kwame, no more playing. Make sure you watch the road.
Yes, ma'am. Mama, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Mister, don't come here. Don't come here.
Please.
Don't come here.
I know. For God's sake, allow him in. Let him come in. That is why I am here. Please. Please. For God's sake. Maxwell, please sit down. Sit down, Maxwell. Anyway, please.
Pastor, do you know that he is the cause of my daughter's death? He has caused me so much humiliation.
I know all that. Anyway. I can understand the pain and humiliation that you're going through. But please, you see, the good Lord teaches us to forgive our friends their debts, so that He can also forgive us our debts. It is only when you can forgive men their trespasses that our Father in heaven will forgive you your trespasses. So please, I beg you to forgive him, for Christ's sake.
Hey, Matilda, my beautiful daughter. I want her. I told her. But she wouldn't listen to me.
Mother, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about Matilda. Please. I know what I was doing. Please forgive me. There's nothing I say or do that will bring Matilda back. Please. I'm sorry.
Anyway, forgive him. Forgive him for God's sake. Please. Where is Satan?
He's gone to the market to sell tomatoes. He's the only one around. Nobody.
Thank you very much for everything that you have done. Thank you so much. The good Lord Himself will bless you. Now, when can we see the child?
You'll see him God's own time.
God's time is the best.
Love, you give me hope. You give me happiness. You give me joy. You give me sunshine. Life could be so cruel. You gave me hopelessness and made me cry. You make me want to die.
All I have and all that I have lived for. Oh, Mother, you did this to me.
Oh, Mother, you did this to me.
Nothing to show.
Yeah.
The loss of the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil.
Oh, money.
Oh, Mother, you hurt me, you know.
The root of all evil.
A dream that I dreamed.
Yeah.
The loss of the end of the road.
See, poverty oppress the poor, make them unhappy, make them sad. Oh, yes, I loved her. Oh, Mother, you caused this. Where is my love? Where is my son?
All I have and all that I have before. Oh, Mother, you did this to me. I'm worthless, I'm nothing to show. The loss of the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil. Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know. Could this be a dream that I dream? The lost of the end of the road. All I have and all that I have. Oh, mother, you
Good day, ma.
Good day. Oh, welcome, Pastor.
Thank you.
We've come to see Sapon.
He's just going to sell tomatoes. Didn't you see him?
No.
Oh, maybe you passed by him.
I see. Is there a way of getting him back?
Well, unless I call him back.
Oh, okay. If you can do that for us.
All right. Coffee Mamio. Hello. Please kindly take care of my tomatoes for me. I'm taking pasta somewhere. I'll soon be back. Ma, who are they?
See, no wonder, like father, like son.
I'll soon be back.
All right.
Eno, it's all over. Let's forget the past. Mother. We brought these things for you and Sapon.
Me? We also have a house for you and Sapon.
Hey, to God be the glory.
Hallelujah.
That's not all. There is also a car.
Hey.
And by the grace of God, your days as a tomato seller are over.
Now, Eno, shall we go into the car and quickly see if we can get something?
No, it's a walking distance. Just around the corner here. We can walk.
All right.
We can walk.
Wait, why do you like rushing? I'm not saying I don't rush. Let's just wait. Let's go. Wait now.
Papa!
Mama.
Sapon! Oh God, what have I done to deserve this?
Papa.
Love, give me hope. You give me happiness. You give me joy. You give me sunshine. Life could be so cruel. You gave me hopelessness and made me cry. You make me want to die. Mother, you did this to me. Mother, you did this to me. Oh, money, the root of all evil. Money. Mother, you hurt me, you know. The root of all evil. A dream that I dream. The lost of the end of the road. See, poverty oppress the poor, make them unhappy, make them sad. Oh, yes, I loved her. Oh, mother, you caused this. Where is my love? Where is my son?
All I have and all that I have before. Oh, mother, you did this to me. And what there's a mother you show. The loss of the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil. Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know. Could this be a dream that I dream? The loss of the end of the road.